Hello and welcome to Soul Revival, Tools and Techniques for Foot Pain Relief. I'm Angela Hamilton, certified personal trainer and rehab specialist since 2004 with the American Council of Exercise. Also the co-founder of Simple Jane CBD, where I really discovered how to put this treatment together and why it actually works. Here's what we'll be covering in this class. What is CBD and how is it used? Types of foot pain and how CBD can help. Tools and techniques to find relief, specific exercises and stretches, and of course a little research guide to get you going. Now here's the great news. I'm not a doctor and I don't need to be. All links, statements, and research is credited to the appropriate parties in their respective fields and positions. Now let's get started. Now it's time to talk about my favorite plant in the world, cannabis. Think of the cannabis plant as the mother plant, and hemp and marijuana are sisters. In this case, the hemp plant is all of the healthy and none of the high, and the marijuana plant is the feel-good sis that likes to go out and have a good time, responsible for the psychoactive effects of THC. For the sake of this class, we'll be talking about CBD, an acronym that stands for cannabidiol. CBD is found in a variety of products such as capsules, oils, balms, even vapes and tinctures. It's important to note that the difference between topical and CBD and ingestible CBD can be quite vast. Topical CBD is ideal for acute pains, muscle tension, and skin conditions, while CBD taken internally can help address chronic inflammation and systemic conditions. So how does CBD work in the body? Well, I'll save that for a longer video, but for this class, we'll be talking about cannabinoid receptors found in the largest organ of our body, our skin. CB1 and CB2 receptors are found throughout the layers of skin and connective tissue all along the bottom of our feet. This alone makes it a prime candidate for inflammation and overuse injuries. For this class, we'll be going over the most common types of foot pain, such as plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, flat feet, and fallen arches. Let's take a closer look at these top 3 conditions.